Hey, Sam Beck here. I'm excited that you're on this page today because Josh Ryder and we got chatting. We're the creators of VideoScript, and we have a new version of VideoScript that's due to come out in about 2 months' time. So we thought that video pages would be a good opportunity for us to find 100 people, 100 people that could actually help us to test VideoScript 2.0 and get some really good feedback from the software. Now, what are the differences from VideoScript 1.0? Well, the differences are that we actually turned this into a desktop software. One of the biggest things that we got from people, one of the biggest in-demand features was that you could actually update and write scripts offline. I mean, who wants to be online all the time when you could be on a plane, you could be, doing anything, traveling, and being able to write your video script. So we decided to do that as well. We also have added in a number of different features, a ton of more scripts, and a lot of benefits as being part of this. So this is obviously a bonus page for video pages, but if you want to get access to the beta version, to test this out, make as much money as you want before anyone else at a big discount, then make sure that you pay attention to this page because it's going to allow you to do just that. Okay, enough from me. Let's go onto my computer and I'll show you why Video Pages is a software you have to get access to. And also, I want to show you down below how you can get access to that special bonus for VideoScript. And I'll show you a full walkthrough of the software as well. And as always, this is a big bonus package for being a subscriber of mine. And we've got all the early bird details down below of how you can get access to all of this with Video Pages here today.
Okay, so here is the type of page that Video Pages can create. Now, Video Pages in its name is kind of misleading because it isn't really video pages. It's really a web builder. It'll do everything. It'll do pop-ups, animations, HTML5 graphics. It'll create entire websites for you if you really want to. I was just having a quick play around with this, and within a few minutes I was able to create a full sales page for VideoScript 2.0. So you can see here, this is what I was able to create. Now this is just from having a small play around, and anyone can do this. I'm actually going to show you how you can build this for yourself, so it's mobile responsive. It'll work on all devices, and let me show you how this system works and why this is an unbeatable deal at less than $30 early bird. Yeah, I'm not even kidding. You can get access to this for less than $30 when it launches, which in terms of price is very, very good. So this is the dashboard here, and this is where I was editing this just before. I'm going to exit this, and I'm actually going to go right from the start and show you step by step how this all works. So this is the dashboard, and this is the Video Pages welcome screen here. Now you can integrate different autoresponders. So I started off by integrating Aweber because if I was to create certain promotions where I needed to capture email addresses, then Aweber is my autoresponder of choice. MailChimp's available, Hot Prospector, GetResponse. You can add HTML form code, so you can actually add any type of form code from SendReach to Infusionsoft to other systems out there as well as GoToWebinar. You can add more digital files, upload them, add images. There's a full help section, but what I want to do, and you can also add custom domains as well, so you can actually build your pages and assign them to a domain and immediately upload them or upload the page to that domain, which is a really, really cool and useful feature, meaning that you can create pages for your websites all around the web or your clients' websites all around the web as well. So let's start by adding a new campaign. Now when we add a new campaign, what that's doing is it's creating from scratch a new campaign for us basically. So let's do this. We can add multiple pages into one campaign. We can add one page into one campaign, pop-ups. We can add one-click opt-ins into our campaigns. Now I'm looking at the page section right here. So if we go down, we scroll down, then you can look at all the different pages that are on offer. Let's go by section. So these are different templates for opt-in that are available. You've got your custom template there, you've got your simple video opt-in page, online course opt-in, beautiful opt-in, elegant opt-in. You've got a number of different options here. Sales pages, you've got a number of different sales pages that you can select from. So if we go down, you can see short, simple video sales letter. That's what I used, simple sales letter. Well, you can also use a long sales letter if we wanted to. We can even preview it if we want to have a look at what it looks like. Here's what it looks like here. That's our long sales letter if we wanted to use it. We can take different components off certain pages and add them on others as well, the way the system works. Webinar pages, you've got a number of different webinar launch templates. You've got launch pages, a number of different launch templates that you can grab from as well. As part of this, you've also got thank you pages that you can use as well, and you've got download pages too that you can use, as well as other and squeeze pages as well. Now these download pages thank you pages, these thank you pages I frequently use in my business. You've probably seen them, and squeeze pages as well, which is basically an opt-in page. So you can see where these fit in. If you're wanting to generate more leads, you'd use opt-in pages. If you wanted to generate more sales, you'd use sales pages. So these sales pages here, you'd use these to run your promotions. Webinar pages, if you wanted to use webinar pages, you'd use these pages right here. Let's grab the one that I created before, which was this video sales letter right here, and select this template to use. This is where it gets really quite simple. We can edit any component using this panel right here. We click and we click whether we want to edit, whether we want to duplicate, whether we want to delete. You can do everything that you would want to with this software. On the side here we've got columns, so we can add a new column in if we want, drag, drop it, say to here. We could add different templates, different widgets. We could add a text widget in here if we wanted to, where we could add some text suddenly. We could add an image, a button, an opt-in form, custom HTML, which means that you can add basically anything that you can think of into this, a separator, icon, list, FB comments, social share buttons, anything that you could need or want is actually built into the system already. So what we're going to do to start off with is we're going to choose a logo. I click settings, I click configure, and this is where the URL is stored. Now if we wanted to, we could upload a logo for ourselves, or if we've got a logo lying around already, we can go across, grab that logo and enter it into here. So let's just enter in the VideoScript logo. There we are. Now it's a bit big, so what we can do is we can just resize it as we want. Really easy to do that, and I don't really like that background color. Let's just do it as white. So we're able to then grab the section settings, we're able to drag it, drop it, it's white, and there we go. Now here's where it gets really, really cool. We can edit this text really easily, so we could just say, like for me, if I wanted to edit this text, I'm just going to get rid of that. Edit, we could say the single most important video trick that increased conversions by 67%. Cool, there we are, we've added our text. Now not only can you add text, you can also adjust the settings. So you can add borders, you can add even animations, so the text fades in, it fades out, it bounces in, it bounces out, it swings in, it swings out. All sorts of different animations that you can create when the page loads. And this is unlike any of the other page builders I think I've seen to date. This makes it really easy to add HTML effects that turn your page basically into something that's really alive. Let's add a video now. Configure, and we can choose either embed code if we wanted to use a custom video place to host our video, or we could use YouTube, and we can just grab the video source. I'll go and do that now, and then we can paste it in just like this. We can add autoplay, we can mute it if we want, we can hide controls, show controls, we can make it full width, everything's available. So we've added that right there. Now we can add our button. Again, we can animate this as we want. We can add a custom buy link from JVZoo or something else. We can add shadows to this. We can add other effects as well to this. And I'm just going to click a couple of random effects. We don't need to add a link today for this example, but if we went to configure, we could add this link in very, very easily through here by selecting a target URL and going like this. Easy as that. We've added it, we've done that, and we're done. Now we can edit these if we wanted to. We could add a timer bar. How cool would it be able to be able to add a timer bar to this? Let's go and add a timer bar. We go across, we find countdown timer, we drag it, and we drop it where we want it. Really simple, really easy, and then we've successfully added a timer here. We'll add it to the center. We'll now customize the time of when it ends, when it starts. We'll go across, April. There we are. It's counting down. Pretty cool, right? And now we can add, if we wanted to, an entire section. We can change this logo down here, do anything we wanted. But we've done enough. I'm quite happy with how this is looking right now. If we wanted to, we could add some text down below. We could, if we wanted to, we can duplicate certain components of this. So let's say like this, and we can drag them down. We can drag them up. I'll just actually not drag both, but I'll drag one. And I'll select this one, drag it down. Drag it up. I'm just going to do that to show you the difference between both of these. When we're done, we click Save. Wait until it's saved. And once it's saved, then we can click Preview. Did you see that? As soon as it opened, it had an effect. And you saw the button slide in as well. I've created a page that has all these different effects happening inside of it, making it really, really cool, and basically turning the page alive. You can do these effects with any part of this page that we wanted to, and it makes it look really, really cool and really fresh. It's also mobile responsive. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like on a mobile device. Everything is built in to make it easy to create these pages for yourself and your clients. And as I said before, for the price, this is quite incredible. And with the bonuses we've added in, make sure you go down below, check them out, because Josh and I are putting together a really good package for you if you're interested in making money online with video, if you're interested in making money online with websites, then this is a package that you absolutely can't miss. Well, I hope you're excited. Go down below, get access, find out all the information down there, and get in right on time, because every time we run a special like this, we often fill up the places within the first couple of hours. So do make sure that you're on your computer, whatever you need to do, get on your computer, get access to this early, and the first one-time offer to qualify for VideoScript 2.0, as well as a big discount off this system. I'm Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.